Come on now.
You got the recorder on?
I got it on.
It's strange now. Look, there's a train coming in. See why it takes a mile and a half for it to stop now?
Yes.
Yeah. So big. Now you got that.
Got a water truck?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm not getting that one.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys up and into the right, okay?
To the right? To the left?
Yeah.
To the left.
I'm gonna go to the left, or I'll go to the right. There's more room. Here, I'll grab you right here. Okay? Here's the rail, okay? We got 3. 1, 2, 1 more. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the
Get on right
right.
now, sir.
Here's the bag. Go up if you like.
Maybe about 100 yards at the house. He had like a backyard of 100 yards. And that's it. Going
Instructions to complete the process.
Hey, Carrie, bring him on up. All set on the rear of Amtrak 63 highball. Okay, let your mom and dad sit here, okay? Ooh, watch it.
Whoa.
Let me go down the bag.
Man, you got that.
That total of 3.
Okay, they'll wait right here. Listen, what I want you to do, right here, hold on, right here, wait right here, wait right here. What I need you to do, I'm going to put you in front, and I'm going to let, are y'all the family together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to let your parents sit together, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Put me where?
I want to put you right up front, right here. So you got to move your bags.
He can sit with his dad.
He can sit with his dad? All right, all right. Move your bags up here. Where are you going, sir?
Toronto?
Toronto? Yeah, put your bags up here.
You want the water to go by you, huh?
Wait a minute, one second, dear. Okay. Okay. I'll take this. I'm gonna put it right above you, okay?
That's a small one?
Yeah.
No, I want that right by me.
Okay.
I got already.
I got the big one over here.
All right, come on.
Get the big
Keep
one
coming
over.
forward, sweetheart. Okay, here's your chair right here. Let me push it up for you. Okay. All right. There's a gentleman sitting right next to you, okay? You're all set.
Where's Vanessa sit?
He's sitting right over towards the window. He's further in.
Right there.
Okay.
This the seat right here?
That's the seat right here. Okay. Okay, and this is the green bag.
All right.
There you go. All right. Only thing is, you're gonna have to bring it in and bring it in where your feet is because you gotta clear the aisle. Okay? Okay. Yes, I am. How's she doing? That's good.
Okay, shut that off.
Shut off.
Shut it off.
For signing off.